Let me tell you something that you don't even know. Do you know even before this whole saga started, even Davido on his own said it already. he said in his song, he said that people are talking that he carried woman. Is it man he will carry before?
Which song?
As a man, you don't hear this song? I'm on Haveli. They're not racing. I'm on Haveli. You know, normally as a traditional man like me,
okay.
Normally we don't listen to such music. But you know, one of my sons, you know, was playing it in his car and I heard about it. So he even said it. He said, why will he not carry a woman? Is it man he will carry? After all, he has the money. Mm-hmm. Let me tell you what is wrong in what he has.
So you're agreeing, huh?
Of course, what is wrong? As why I mean, only one girl that he carried that people are just messing up.
No, my
do
friend,
you know how many girls I have impregnated? Let me not go there. Let me not go there.
Two women.
Oh, two. Only two. Do you know how many women I have impregnated? We are not talking about me. let me not go there.
Can I say
something? He's doing well. He's a good boy. Let it continue.
No, can I say something?
Of course.
First of all, may God protect us from women that drink Hennessy on Sundays. Because they are our problems. Okay?
They are our problems.
Yes, women that drink Hennessy on Sundays.
Everybody has their problem.
Now let me get to the next part.
You will explain later, but yes, please continue.
Let me get to the next part. In 1863, they invented the offside rule in football. Do you know why? Because strikers were crossing the lines recklessly. So they wanted to stop that. Davido is a striker. He crossed the line recklessly. In 1981, in Los Angeles, the first doctor came and said, we have a sickness. You know the name? AIDS.
Brother man.
AIDS.
Brother man, are you sure?
Yes, my friend. In 1981, they came up, they say AIDS, the new sickness, we have found it. In this old man time, you can have raw. I don't want to say the whole word. You can have raw.
Meat?
Raw.
Vegetables?
Raw.
Peaches?
No
know the
extra.
problem.
No extra. But today, my friend, if you play that game, you are harming your family. The reason you're harming your family is because there's a new offside rule, and the name is AIDS. STD.
See, do you know the problem I have now? You are the problem I have right now. You brought this hoodlum. You brought this hoodlum from the streets to come here and sit down with me on this show and be telling me rubbish. We are talking about the video and the woman is talking about football and offside. Who is looking at offside here? Somebody open Yeboah and I put Igum. You are telling me about offside. What concerns offside? I give you a woman belly. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Whether they put a red line, whether they put offside line or they don't put offside line, let me tell you, if any woman cross my road, if I strike one, two belly. Let me tell you something. I don't have your time.
No problem.
I don't have your time.
No problem.
For you to have brought this man to this show to come and be telling me, oh, when I saw you, I was thinking, who is this person?
No problem.
Dressing like this, I already know nothing good will come up.
No problem.
Davido, you are doing well. You are doing well. I don't have time for this rubbish. And so this is what I'm going home.
No problem.
My belly.